sunny day of Diphu, guys. Those who love aviations, they will know what is A380. Welcome to the sunny day of Diphu, guys. Now I'm going to spotting the view of the Jambeton as you can see behind us, which represents the 5 clans of Karbi, as we all know. And well, I'm going to show you the time lapse of it as well. Oh, actually, I made this video especially for all my friends from abroad as well as the different state of our nations, as they requested me to make a videos from with English. As you guys know, I'm still struggling my English. So hope you guys correct my English grammar in comment below. And well, we will go to the different places as well to make a spotting view. Okay, then let's check out the view as well as the time lapse. Okay, then. Well guys, now let's go to the another place to make more spotting video as well as spotting the view. Let's go. Well guys, now we are here at the rooftop restaurant. Now I'm going to be spotting from here. Look at the view, that's so amazing, right? Now I'm going to film with my smartphone, A83, not a A380, okay? A380. Those who love aviations, they will know what is A380. Okay, well, let's take a look at the view as well as time lapse as well here again. is done of filming. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you correct my mistake in the comment sections. And well, bang so laman arta na kilang tumanapan. Kasi langsung say nilpan ang support nita TikTok channel anang paking no. To tante kado ko ita help ko kami basi nitelo. To tante kapag video le hong ing dino praptimpan aku po. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Love you all.
Oh,